We're looking at an Exhibition saw, a Husqvarna 359. Exhibition saws have been modified. They are not to be used for cutting firewood. At the end of the video, this one will be disabled and sold for parts, but we'll go over some of the features this saw has. Choke is right here, the blue lever, pull it out. Kill switch is on top, push it down to kill it. Operator presence lever, always a great feature on these. Will not throttle up unless your hand is in place. See, that's, if you had the saw on the ground idling, you can see where a limb could get in here and trip that trigger and you have a wide open throttle situation. Side load on the gas and oil reservoir. Vibration isolation motor mounts. Very smooth operation. And like I was saying, it has been modified. It has the high output dual port muffler on it. The very large falling spikes. And this comes with a 20-inch Husqvarna bar, a new bar and a new chain. Working chain brake. Decompression valve. Push it in anytime you're starting a high compression motor. Side adjuster. Loosen the two bar nuts up. Right on the side, your tensioner. Just a very great saw for parts if you're looking for one of these. It will be disabled when you receive it. Spark plug has been removed. It will not run when you receive it. It's a very popular chainsaw from Sweden.